Brigit complaints usually reveal three things users pay attention to most: app performance, financial features, and how problems are handled when something does not go as expected. By the end, you will know how to analyze Brigit complaint patterns, which issues are worth paying attention to, and how to tell the difference between a common concern and a single bad experience. The first thing to understand is that complaints need context. One negative review does not automatically mean every user will have the same experience. The useful information comes from finding repeated issues mentioned by multiple users. The first area to watch is account access and app functionality. Users often share complaints when they experience trouble completing a task, understanding a feature, or using the app the way they expected. When reviewing these comments, focus on detailed explanations instead of short reactions. The second area is advance-related expectations and repayment experiences. Financial apps involve specific processes, so users may complain when they misunderstand how a feature works or when the timing does not match what they expected. Look for reviews that explain the situation clearly and include what happened afterward. The third area is customer support. A problem itself is only one part of the experience. The response process matters because users want clear communication and solutions. Pay attention to comments that describe whether questions were answered and whether issues were resolved. Another important step is checking how recent the complaints are. Apps change through updates, adjustments, and new features, so older complaints may not represent the current experience. You should also compare complaints with positive feedback. A balanced review shows what users like and where they experience problems. If the same benefit and the same concern appear repeatedly, that gives you a more accurate picture. A simple method is to create 3 notes while researching Brigit reviews: repeated complaints, positive experiences, and questions you still need answered. This helps you make a decision based on patterns instead of emotions. The main points are simple. First, repeated complaints matter more than individual comments. Second, detailed reviews provide more useful information than quick reactions. Third, always compare user feedback with current information from Brigit before deciding. Your next step is to read recent Brigit discussions and look for common themes instead of focusing on one negative post. If this guide helped you understand how to evaluate app complaints, subscribe for more practical app reviews and user experience guides.